Man, okay, look, I decided to take a quick break from my real job, my real career that I do, because I had these bad boys laying around, and I know y'all was waiting to see them. So we got to go ahead and get this review out of the way, because I plan to get all caught up with my reviews in 2018 and get back on a regular schedule of something more like, I don't know, 2-3 times a week like I used to do. But anyways, we got the Ausdom M04S's in town. All right, so this looks to be the all black model. I do think they have a couple of different colors. Might check the link in the description there, but let's check out this box for a second. All right, wireless headset, full range, lasting quality, built-in lithium battery. Let's see here, 40 millimeter drivers. That's pretty common these days. 32 ohms impedance, 20 hours talk time, 20 hours playing time, standby time, more than 2,000 hours. That means you just let these bad boys sit forever. But why would you do that if you got a nice set of headphones? Put them on your head and enjoy them, man. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Get my unboxing knife here, all right. Put that down. Now, let's get to the star of the show. Not too much of a quality unboxing there, man. It's just a regular old box. Then let's show it some respect. Let's just put it right here. Just a little respect. Can you see that? Can you see it? Okay, now what do we have here? Got some, all right, this is micro USB. Got plenty of those, put it to the side. And you got a pretty standard 3.5 millimeter cable. It's kind of flimsy actually, but it'll do when you need to hook up the headphones in case that 20-hour battery dies. Then you got some instructions. This is your user manual. Pretty thick, I'm guessing, because, yep, lots of languages. I only know one, and I know enough Spanish to get myself kicked out of somewhere. All right, so here we go. We got the headphones right here. So these are black and red. Sweet. Okay, so they have an all black version, which is on the box. Then they have a black and red. I swear they have a white or something like that too. You got to check the link in the description. Let's pop these out. Oh, I don't want to mess them up. Okay, all right. Put that down here. Ooh, all right, so these are very, very lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume, man, they've been in that box smashed up. So the ear cups are kind of jacked up. I'm sure it'll, you know, once I leave them out of the box, it'll go back to its regular form. Don't worry about that. But these ear cups, real soft. This is, I don't know, it's like protein leather or vinyl or something. It's really soft though. Then you got your red on the ear cups on the inside of there. No left and right branding. Let me see which one. Okay, right there. Usually they got their big old left and right, but this is the right. So let's just see how these ear cups feel. Okay. Yeah, like I said, super light headphones, man. And the ear cups, I mean, my ears fit right in them, so definitely over the ear if you got ears about the size of mine. But I got a peanut head though, and my ears match. Yeah, super comfortable, very lightweight. And so let's talk about build quality. So we got some Ausdom branding right there, which is embossed. It's not too intrusive. I actually really like it that they have it inset right there, and it's the same color as the band. That way it's just not all sticking out like boom, Ausdom. But then you got that red vinyl right there. That is clean. I love the color scheme of these. Got some red buttons on the bottom of there. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? All right, you got those red buttons right there. Then you got, this almost looks like a turtle shell on the outside, but it's all black though, so it doesn't look, you know, real crazy. It's got a nice look. It's like a tech look slash turtle shell kind of look on the outside of there. It's kind of nice. But the overall build quality, man, they're flexing. I don't hear any creaking, and they do. Oh, by the way, so they swivel in and out, so you can just lay them across your neck like this. Okay. And then, of course, you just saw that, wait, I thought I folded them up. Do they fold up? Okay, my bad, I thought they were folded. Okay, so they don't fold, but they do swivel. So if you get a case, you gotta get one of those bigger cases that's more flat. And you know what? I used to actually really be on the lookout for headphones that folded up, you know, kind of clamshell style. But since I've been using my, I don't even have it here with me. Since I've been using my messenger style bag, it's easier for me to use headphones like this and just slide them down in the bag. They fit a lot better. It just depends on your personal preference, man, what you're looking for. But I'm starting to like the ones that fold like that. Some headphones, if you pay enough money, man, they'll fold both ways. But I'm starting to like this again. All right, so what else is on here? Build quality as far as the plastic goes, it's not. It's a pretty durable plastic, man. I've been messing with these and moving them around, and I don't feel anything flexing or creaking. They don't. Yeah, I'm feeling quality here, man. This is not like, it's not like super hard plastic, but it's not even cheap. It's like real good. Now, granted, if you are rough with your stuff, man, you could break anything. But man, these feel like if you actually take care of them, they're gonna be real good because they do have quite a bit of flex in there. But you don't hear. Can you hear that? Nothing. No creaking, no crackety crack. All right. So what else? We've got. What is this? I gotta look at the instructions. All right. So I got a big speaker grill right here. It looks like a speaker grill, so I gotta figure out what that is. Is it on the box? No. Bear with me, man. I just saw that big old speaker grill and I got excited. Okay, so that is actually, that's the microphone. Wow. Okay, this speaker grill right here, it looks like a speaker grill. It's actually a microphone. Then you've got your power button, volume up and volume down on the right. Okay, I like how they separated this. So you got volume up and volume down on the right. And then on this side right here, you have your 3.5. But it looks like it's gonna kick back. Let me show you how that works. So if this is on your left ear, you see how it kind of kicks back like that? So if that's on your left ear, it actually kind of kicks back. So I guess it kind of stays out of your way, it doesn't go straight down. But that's something to note. But that's the left ear cup. It's got the power, volume minus, and volume plus. It's got your mic, and it's got your 3.5. And then on the right ear cup, you have your USB in. Then you got forward and back tracking and play and pause. And then I saw, yep, NFC, man. So NFC pairing is built into these bad boys. That's a nice touch, man, for a super budget headphone like these. So let's go ahead and power them up and see how they do. Now, I do have to stretch these out a little bit, even for my little peanut head, just to get them to fit just right. Oh yeah, hey man, I was in a special mood earlier. I was listening to one of my playlists. This is that R. Kelly Bump and Grind. Let me just play that real quick. That's got a lot of bass too. Hold on, let me see. Let me go into the music real quick. Let me start it over. Y'all don't know nothing about that R. Kelly, man. All right, before he started doing weird things to people, R. Kelly was the man. I mean, R. Kelly's still kind of the man, but you know, now he's got a reputation. But back in these days, these bump and grind days, oh my. We had a little bump and grind, baby. Oh, okay, that bass drop is coming. Let me turn it all the way up. Oh. I gotta turn it all the way up because I want to hear that bass drop. I don't see nothing wrong. Okay, it's all the way up. Let me hear that bass drop. Bump and grind, baby. Nothing wrong. Okay, so this is not my typical bass music, testing music right here. I'll just listen to some slow jams real quick. So overall, music quality is great, especially for a budget headset. I mean, it's just great quality overall. Now the bass is not as, it doesn't like, it is definitely there, but yeah. Okay, let me give you a definite decision on the bass. The bass is really good. So if you're a bass head, these might not be the headphones for you. But if you want some good, clean bass, that's not exactly punchy, like, okay? I'm trying to describe the punch. But because that bass drop on the R. Kelly song, it didn't like punch. It kind of rolled off the top in a smooth, but it's there. The bass is there. I'm gonna test some other music, but the mids and highs, they're pretty well balanced. The highs are not like ear-shattering high, but and the volume is decent. Volume is very decent. I couldn't hear any outside noise. Right now, I can actually hear the washing machine going, and I couldn't hear that. So good noise isolation with these ear cups and the overall volume. Let me test out a couple more songs real quick and give you my overall opinion about the sound quality of these headphones. Let me see here. What could I play? Hey, I've been listening to some, I think this is like electronic dance music, because I teach fitness classes, and so I need some real upbeat music. And there's this one song, man, I heard it in my sleep. Well, I don't know, I was sleeping and the song came on in my dream, I guess. Where's that song? Where is it? Okay, I gotta find it. Hold on, man. Let me see. Cutting Shapes by Don Diablo. Y'all heard that song before? Cutting Shapes? All right, let me see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this song jams, man. This song gets me pumped up, man. Hold on. Dance, dancing, dancing. Woo! Oh man, bust out your glow sticks. Okay. That song, man, the song gets me so hyped. Okay. Oh man. Okay, play and pause. Okay, that works. All right. Oh God, I'm out of breath. Okay, so I threw my box down. All right, I got all hyped. That song. Hey, look, when you get off this video, go to Don Diablo Cutting Shapes. If that song does not make you move your booty, it's broken. You need to go get it fixed somewhere because that's a booty shaker right there. Anyways, these headphones are good to go. I kind of want to take back what I said about the bass. The bass is actually really good. I heard it in that song. It was like, it was hitting. It was thumping pretty hard. So on the bass side, if I was going to rate these on a 1 to 10, on the bass side, I'd give them an 8. Okay? Yeah, I definitely give them an 8. For the volume level of these headphones, yeah, I definitely give them an 8. For the mids and highs, I put the mids and highs together. For the mids and highs, I'd probably give those an 8 too. Not super clean and crisp and clear. I mean, there could be some EQ going on. You should probably EQ the mids up a little bit just to, you know, clean everything up. So I give them an 8. So I guess that's an overall 8 for the headphones. I usually don't rate headphones on a scale of 1 to 10, but I give these an 8. All the way. So if you're looking for some budget headphones that seem to be pretty daggone durable and comfortable and light, I would assume you could even game in these headphones because they're so light and comfortable, and they actually kind of look like gamer headphones, and I like their color scheme too. But yeah, I'd say go pick these up. But look, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. I'm going to go ahead and finish listening to my Don Diablo. Is that what it is? Don Diablo? And I'm going to get this party started. Dancing, dancing.